Don't. Oh.
Sedona Fun Kids TV. Yeah! Hey guys, it's me Sedona, and today we're at Target. And yes, thank you guys so much for over 12,000 subscribers. And yes, I have my gift card here. People are watching.
From who?
From Caleb Town. And you should, it says congratulations from Caleb Town. And you guys should both subscribe to his channel because I won the giveaway. You guys should totally enter his giveaways because he has awesome stuff.
And you wanted to get something that you really wanted to get for a long time.
It's called a Zoomer Hedgiez. Thank you, Caleb, so much. I really appreciate it. And yes, guys, we are also here for squishies.
Because we heard they have squishies here.
Yes, we did. Let's go to the store now. This way.
This way?
I want to be shopping in this baby aisle. Look at that girl's head chopped off right there. Oh my god, here's a Zoomer Meowsy. Oh my god, here it is. This is so cute. Which one shall I get? Brightlings. Should I get this instead? So this is $40, guys. I am going to get it. Oh my gosh, this one doesn't have a nose though. Oh my. How?
Oh, that's terrible.
Get the pug. The pug?
Try the one behind it.
Look at the dog. Here's the pug. This is your pug. Do you want this?
No, you
It's
get it.
$15.39. It's yours. Mama, do you think I should get this one?
Let's look
It's
around
cute.
the shop.
This one. I think I should get this one. Because this one is like a rock star and stuff. This one says flip, the one I'm getting. It's so cute. It's so cute. So guys, I'm getting...
No, Shed, how much is it?
Moana's behind you with her pig.
Yeah.
Here's Doc McStuffins. What is this? What are those? Eat it. What the?
What are those?
What the? It says, try me, press my hat, okay? That's it. It's time to take a nap now.
Okay, are you going to think about it? Or are you definitely getting it?
This? No, I'm not getting it.
No, the Zoomer Hedgie.
If I see something else that I want,
Okay, put it in the thinking trolley.
here it is, the wheelchair guy. How much is it? Lori. Look. I'm sorry. Oh my, what? Look at her hair. It's so pretty.
No one likes it. More like Shed, just kiss it on. Star Wars.
Uno jackpot. Pop it. Diamond air. There's no squishies here.
You like this?
Yes. Animation.
Ooh, green screen.
How much is it? How much is it?
$20.
$20.
Cool. I like that.
$20. What mop?
That mop and
Oh,
You want a mop?
yeah.
For what?
It's a kid's mop.
It's $40.
Just kidding.
I think it's pretty useful.
Yeah.
Look at that man down there. They have squishy balls here. It's hard to squish though. Pretty bouncy, but it's not that squishy. I don't think it's a squishy. Only
You like it? It's
They're,
cute.
they're
You're not gonna play with that though.
but no, you're supposed to feed them. No, they have fake glasses here. Wait, let's try if they're really big. Oh my god, they're really big, guys.
Nice.
So there's no squishies here, guys. You're the bestest, mommy.
Selfie mic.
So you get to pick any song. It's kind of like Musically, I don't know.
No, Shed.
And then you're supposed to put it like this, and then here's, it's kind of like a selfie stick except with a microphone.
Oh my god,
And they're
Mommy.
like, party rockin' Taylor. I saw it on TV. Oh guys, now we're in the Hobby Lobby.
Because we need something for our
Tattoo
project.
lollipops? Okay.
What are these? Squeeze toys.
Squeeze toys. Oh, it's cute.
This is so hard. This truly is horrible.
They have fun potty. They have flarp.
This?
Yes. It makes a fart noise. And it's kind of like a slime.
Could it be?
Party favorite.
It's not very squishy. Oh look! Oh!
Wait, give it after me. Mommy.
Stretchy squishies?
Can we get this? It's only $3. Oh.
What?
Look, there's a little hole.
Mm-hmm. They're so cute.
I know.
Yay, we found
Especially for
stretchy
Valentine's.
squishies.
Oh,
Oh,
they're $14.99, so cheap.
isn't that the same price?
Yeah, but Sid was $16.
This one looks a bit grumpy.
And I want to get all of them, guys.
He looks like Scotty.
This one looks like these two look like really grumpy, but this one looks so cute.
Aw,
Can we get one?
no, not today.
Bye bye. Oh. Here are the stretchy squishies that we got from Hobby Lobby. These are emojis. Ones are a little bit damaged, but it's okay. It's okay, but because I like these. The other ones are not squishies. These ones are squishy. And these ones are much softer. These ones are much softer, and they're also bouncy, and they also splat on walls. See, guys? Look. I'm gonna splat it on the glass.
No! Don't! Oh!
Don't do that in public. So guys, I got these glasses from Target, and I also got my super cute Hedgie. My Zuma Hedgie is a robot. Her face looks so cute, and her eyes light up too. Her eyes are beautiful. And guys, I named her Macy. Oh, she can't do it on bed. She can't do it on bed.
Oh, she pitches her nose.
I know. Guys, she really rolls on her back and stuff. I'll show you on my carpet. She says hello. That's what she does, guys. She sounds like Sid. So yeah, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. And I love Caleb too. And I hope you guys enjoyed my glasses. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe and turn your notifications on, because my next video is a squishy giveaway and my secret cover.
No, it's not next week.
No,
We don't know when it's gonna be within the next few weeks. We are working on it very hard.
Mommy, you got a Zuma Hedgie.
Yeah.
I love the Zuma Hedgie. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Hey guys. Hi. Hey guys, it's Miss Sedona, and today
I can't hear you.
speak up. Because ta-da! Caleb's tag. I have my debit card. It's like a Zoomer kitten, but no, Zoomer kitty, not Zoomer kitten.
It's a chubby pup.
Emoji, squishy, stretchies.